Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to get a mask on bitmoji. Firstly guys, go on your profile section and then select for the settings button on your right upper side. Now guys, you need to scroll down and here as you can see you have a bitmoji option, click on it. Now here you have three options with change outfit, edit my bitmoji or choose a selfie. And here also have an option to choose a selfie. When you go on a selfie, here guys is the real aptitude and the real solution for this video, because I'm gonna show you for that now how to get a mask on bitmoji here by just taping on the selfie or taping on the mask from a bitmoji. For example, for me the best is, oh my god, there is a lot of beautiful masks, but I will use this one and I'll go just with done. Now you need to wait, and after that go back. Here as you can see on the left side, just click on it, and now guys, here as you can see we have a mask on our bitmoji. Thanks guys for watching, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.